Hello, my name is Nicole Borowski, and I am presenting my final video reflection for epidemiology. First question, I really enjoyed learning about the examples in the textbook more in conjunction with the lecture videos throughout the semester. I didn't realize how vast and deep the field of epidemiology was until I started reading through each chapter in the textbook and just seeing how all the concepts related to each other. The examples were very interesting and really brought the story of epidemiology to life, and just seeing how the field has developed, grown, progressed throughout the years and decades. Specifically, the Tuskegee experiment was a very interesting one to me. I think it was mentioned in a few chapters, and in each chapter, a new facet of it was presented with new information. And I think we can learn a lot from that experiment as a public health sector in general. Atrocities like that happen really teach us how public health, education, politics, culture, and society all overlap and form human perspectives, especially in a specific point in history. Even though it wasn't a correct perspective, we can obviously still learn a lot from that, especially moving forward with public health and epidemiology, how to treat other humans, how to go about conducting ethical research, and making sure that we are truly invested in the best interests of the people we are serving through public health and education and health promotion as well. And then for the second one, I found the aha moments to be learning about research methods more and the equations. I didn't think that I would learn about that too much going into this class, and I took research methods in undergrad, and it wasn't necessarily my strong suit, but I am taking research methods in the spring, so this was a nice refresher of those concepts. And then learning about the equations was really interesting too, because I didn't expect to do them, and it was nice to see how those concepts and variables related to each other from a numerical standpoint. And knowing that I can also, do those calculations now makes me feel better as a student. The hump day posts were also very nice. Those gave me a few aha moments as well. Just looking forward to those every week and contributing to the discussion. And, it gave me a lot of inspiration, motivation from week to week, especially in the busy times of the semester. I was able to take it just a day at a time, knowing that other people are in similar boats and we all got this together was really nice. Some of my favorite parts of the class and semester were Yellow Dig, for example. I really enjoyed Yellow Dig. I think it brought a sense of community to an online program. And I don't think I've done it in previous classes for this program yet, so that was very nice. I learned a lot from that too. Learned how to read through different newspaper articles, especially from a scientific perspective and opinion mixed in there, and how to present that information to my classmates. I learned a lot from my readings and also from other students, from my peers' posts. It's very nice. And then also the literature matrix was very interesting to me as well. I learned how to read through research articles a lot better, especially when it comes down to pulling out that data and extracting it, putting into the matrix, and then creating the presentation for it later was very intriguing. I haven't done that before, and I think definitely made me a better student doing that. Hi, Cindy, if you're watching this, it was great working with you. I really enjoyed the class's focus on AI, especially because it's a very rapidly growing field and we need to learn how to integrate and work with it collaboratively for the future of public health is very important. So I enjoyed that component of the class. The chapter questions were great too, learning how to think critically through the information in each chapter and then creating questions out of that really helped prepare me for the exams. And finally, just some last points. I really just enjoyed learning more about epidemiology. I didn't know what to expect going into this class. I've never taken a class on epi before, so I was very pleased. And I think the closing chapters of the textbooks helped me to better understand what potential future career options I have, especially since I'm nearing graduation in the spring. And then lastly, I love the coloring pages. Those were a nice relaxation break from the few I could do during the semester. Thank you so much for taking a listen to my video, and I hope everyone has a great end of the semester.